like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, today we are working on my no makeup routine for the summer because summer is basically here. I know we still have like a week of May left, but no, in Atlanta, mind you, downpouring rain yesterday, maybe highs of like 50, 60, but the day before that was like 91 degrees or something like that. And you know, you just don't always see it for makeup, especially when it gets hotter. But you still sometimes want to put a little something on your face. So if you want to see what my go-to no makeup face has been lately, let's go. Okay, so definitely have to go in with skincare on days where you're relying on your skin to do a majority of the work instead of makeup. I am first going to go in with the Fenty Grip Trip Hydrating Plumping Primer. And I think I've told you guys before, I feel like this is really more of a moisturizer. I mean, there is the like gripping aspect of this primer where you can feel the tackiness and your makeup isn't going to go anywhere. But when I tell you like the moisture that this adds to your face, crazy. Like my face just feels, I feel like kind of looks really plump and moisturized. Oh, I forgot to mention, I just put brow gel in my eyebrows and then filled in the front a little bit because the hair is a little sparse there. But I feel like the Sacred Drops are working because for this to be, well, except like that right there, but for the rest of that to be just brow, and y'all know I basically didn't have eyebrows of my own. So we're getting somewhere with the Sacred Drops. All right, and then after that, I'm gonna take the Danessa Yummy Skin in the Universal shade, and this is the wrong one. It's the wrong one, but I'm still going to use it because there is a little crumbs left in there, and I don't do too much with this anyway in my no makeup look. So literally just going to swirl my finger around in what is left, and then the areas where I am gonna put majority of the makeup and where I get oily, I'm just going to go over with this. Also, because it is my no makeup look, I do want to keep it looking a little bit more skin-like and just, you know, glowing, hydrated skin. So really just in the areas that I get oily. Okay, so first up I have this blush. This is from Huda Beauty. It is their blush filter in the shade Watermelon Pop, and I am just going to pop that right onto my cheeks. My nose, other cheek. Then the Milk Concealer, the Hydro Grip in the shade 12.5. This is a conceal shade for me. So if you're not trying to add brightness or anything like that to your under eye and you use me as a shade reference, this would be the shade for you to conceal, because watch. Do you even see it? Because it's there. You just watch me put it on. Why did I say it like that? And blend that out. Now, because I need a little wakey in my no makeup look, I'm gonna take the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the shade Deep 3 And I think I told you guys before, like, this is a wake up concealer. I only dipped this in there once, but just watch how my under eye will wake up after putting this on there. And you don't have to use much. Look at with it, without it. For foundation, I'm gonna use this glow booster from Danessa. It is the shade Juice Boost. That is it on my face. And is pretty much a serum primer. As you can see, you can still see dark spots that I have from acne scars, beauty marks, stuff like that. A little something. Again, more so going for just making our skin look glowy and hydrated as opposed to like coverage. And also, like, you're not gonna feel all of this on your face because it's very light. Now to set that, I'm gonna take the KIMCHI powder, the Puff Puff Pass in the Pink shade, and just set really my concealer, and that center of my face is where I get oily. You know, other times I would take it here, stuff like that, but no, just kind of focus it right there. If you noticed, we skipped contour, and we're gonna skip that altogether, but it's summer, so we're gonna take some bronzer. This is from Charlotte Tilbury in the shade 4, I think. Yes, 4. And I definitely dipped my brush in too much, so might have just put in a whole much on my forehead. I also feel like I kind of just naturally have a contour, so I'm gonna do that much, no. A little more blush again. This is also Huda, but this shade is Peach Sorbet. And you know, I don't like naturally blush, right? I don't naturally turn red, so not too much, but you know, still want a little blush for the summer. And the last complexion product, well, the last products to wrap up my complexion are setting spray. So I'm gonna take the one size and just, oh, my mouth was open. Melt away anything that didn't melt away previously. And of course, the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Liquid Blurring Balm. And I'm gonna go ahead and throw on my lashes and my lip. And yeah, y'all, that is it for my face. Just threw on some lashes. They're the self-adhesive ones from Lily Lashes, mascara from Kulfi, and my lips. A majority of it is that lip kit from Romandy. I think it's called Mocha or something like that. Everything I have will be in the description down below. I wanna say filming this added a couple minutes. So in total, it took me like 25 minutes to do this because, you know, the stopping, the whatever with filming. But I did this the other day when I went out, and I wanna say this took me like 15 minutes to do. So it will definitely be a time saver as well. You know, when you go on vacation and you pack your makeup case, and the first day, full beat, and you get to the second day and the third day. By the time you get to that fourth day of having to do a full face of makeup on vacation, don't nobody want to do that. Don't nobody want to be there. So it will be a time saver for that, or just if you're going out and about wherever you live and you don't want to put on a whole bunch of makeup, maybe you sweat a lot, or you're around a whole bunch of makeup, it's just not your thing. Consider a like no makeup kind of look where it adds a little something, right? I'm a little more awake than when this video started, but this is not my, you know, normal like full face of makeup type of thing. So let me know in the comments down below what you include in your no makeup look. Or are there any things that you take out of it? Like you don't do concealer, you don't do contour, you don't do. Let me know all of that down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
it.